Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to log in to your Robinhood account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. On the URL bar, type in robinhood.com. And click on enter. After that, you will see a login button which is at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. Then you will be directed to a login page. Here you need to type in your email address. After that, type in the password associated with your email. You can also view your password by clicking on this I button to make sure that you have typed the password correctly. If you check this box, you will be logged in on this computer for 30 days. You do not need to type in your password. After that, click on login button to log into your account. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link, and if you have forgotten your email address, click on this link and follow the procedures to reset it. As you can see that I have been logged into my account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.